So when I first bought my grill lights, I was debating whether I should go with the amber or white. Couldn't make a decision. I was gonna get both. Instead, I went with the smoke white for my grill lights. So Issyauto reached out to me and they sent me their version of their grill lights, and they are the amber. So it comes in this box. Here it is. So what you get in the bag is 4 amber grill lights, as you can see here. 4 amber, and then their wiring harness. Installing these is the easiest part. The only thing that's kind of difficult is the actual wiring of it, but even that is super easy. So to install these, as you can see, these have little lips on them right there. And all you do is just pick where you want to install these. So I'm gonna just insert it, and then the lights themselves will just click in like so, and that's it. So as you can see, it's nice and flush right there on both sides. So I'm gonna go ahead and do these other 3. So as you can tell, these are not smoked, they're just straight amber. So even like that, they will be noticeable. So to run the wiring harness, you could either run it from battery to the lights. I'm gonna go from lights to the battery and fuse box, just because I'd rather have the excess wire over here. Then I'll just tie it up and zip tie it. So for the wiring harness, I went ahead and ran it behind the grill. Ran it right through this little opening of this splash guard. As you can see, it's right here. Then that goes right behind the headlight. Under all this comes up over here, and right now it's just hanging out behind the battery. So I'm gonna run it behind that and then up and over the fuse box. So one thing I should mention about Issyauto's wiring harness is it actually comes with this gasket, just to prevent any water from getting to your actual connection, which I thought was really cool because in my previous one it really didn't have that. And yeah, so I just thought I should mention that. That's a plus, Issyauto. Good job on that. To plug it in, it's just like that. Once you hear the click, you're good. Since we tapped into the fuse for the fuel injectors, the truck does have to be on, so I'm gonna go ahead, turn that on right now. So thank you, Issyauto, once again for reaching out and sending me these LED grill lights. They look great, and the install couldn't have been any easier. So you can find the link in the description if you guys want these. I'll also add links to everything that I used to install this, so you guys could go ahead and order them all together if you guys don't have anything like this at home. Now I'm gonna just grab a couple zip ties, kind of tuck in the wire, clean it up a bit, and call it a day. So hopefully you guys like this video. Subscribe button if you're new, hit that like button if you liked it. Let me know what you guys think about these. Are LED grill lights something that you guys want? If so, put it down in the comments. So with all that being said, remember, live life.